Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you the very first poem of your English literature book, that is A House, a Home. This is a very simple poem. It has two stanzas. Each stanza has 9 lines. This poem is written by the very famous American poetess Lorraine Martha Haley or Lorraine M. Haley. Lorraine Martha Haley is famous for her simple writing. Her writing is simple yet thought provoking, like this poem. This poem is also very simple, but it gives a very important message. In this poem, the poetess has explained the difference between a house and a home. In this poem, the first stanza tells us about a house, while the second stanza tells us about a home, the importance of family. The first stanza begins with the line, "What is a house? It's brick and stone, and wood that's hard, some window glass, and perhaps a yard. It's seats and chimneys, and tile floors, and stucco and roof, and lots of doors." In this stanza, the poetess is explaining the ingredients or material used to make a house. The poetess says that bricks, stone, and wood are used to make a house. It also has window glass and corridors or open space in front and back of the house for gardening. Tiles of the floor, pine paints, roof, elevations of the roof, and many doors that give it a perfect look of a house. Thus, a house is a completely non living thing. The second stanza begins with the line, "What is a home? It's loving and family, and doing for others, its brothers and sisters, and fathers and mothers. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing, and showing your loved ones you are always caring." In the second stanza, the poetess has explained the nature of a home and what makes a house a home. It is the family members like brothers, sisters, mothers, fathers who together make a home. Their acts without any selfish interest, their concern for each other, their wish to work for each other's happiness and well being, their wish to show love and care towards each other is what makes a house a home. I hope students you all like this poem. Learn this poem and write this poem also in your copies. Goodbye, take care.